Okay, for this next assignment, you're going to need a little bit of explanation. Not only is a skill you're learning a challenging one, but also if you're not so familiar with Google Docs, especially with using comments, that part makes it a little bit challenging too. And I don't want you to get confused with the two parts. So first, let me explain the important part. Using context clues in writing to figure out the meaning of a word. I know you've all been exposed to this. Some of you guys might know it a lot better. Some of you guys might not need this introduction, but bear with me. So first of all, being able to use context clues in your writing, crucial skill. There are context clues in writing all over the place, from really obvious ones like some of the ones in this song, and then some more subtle ones. Not only like because there's some in this song that are a little bit more subtle, a little harder to figure out, and then there's even more subtle ones still. Being able to use those, um, it increases your reading ability so much. It increases your vocabulary, which is one of the best things an English teacher can possibly do for you. So it's a really valuable skill, which is why I make you do it. Now the second part, the technology part, the part of just how do you do this assignment properly so that I can see it and read it and know that you did it. So that involves using this form, which you're going to make a copy of in a second. You're going to make a copy of it, and it's going to translate a look pretty much exactly like this. It's going to have the lyrics, and then a bunch of things are going to be in yellow. The yellow indicates where I've left comments for you, and the comments are a space for you to answer me. So let me show you how to do it. So you pop it open like this. Most likely when you get it, it's going to look like this, right? The first word will be right here at the top. But comments can get really confusing because when you put a lot of them on here like this, the side ends up looking kind of crazy, and it's sort of hard to know how to get where you need to go. So let me just show you what you do. Wherever you are, whatever you want to look at, focus on the text of the lyrics. Don't worry so much about the comments. So let's say you're working on elocution. All you have to do is just take your cursor, click on elocution, and look what happens to the comments. Boom, they shift. The one for elocution gets right about level to where you're looking, and it even gets bigger and shifted in a little bit. So that's how you can go ahead and find where you are. It's easiest to just work them in order, but if you get messed up, that's what you do. Just click wherever you are, boom, the comments will shift and adjust to be where you need to be. Now, the way you answer it is you simply go ahead and you go to what you're working on. So I'm on elocution here, and then I have a clue for you in the comment. The song defines the word for you. What does elocution mean? So then I read that sentence. They study elocution, the art of public speaking. Okay. So again, these songs are really filled with context clues, and the most common one is they simply put them right next to each other. Say that study elocution, comma, the art of public speaking. So in this case, they're using that context clue. It's pretty common where you use a word and then you define it. So they got the definition for you right there, the art of public speaking. That's what elocution means. So all you'd have to do is you can go ahead and copy the art of public speaking, copy it, and then you come back here to elocution, and you would just paste it right there. And then remember to hit reply. Okay, if you don't hit reply, it doesn't record it. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Hopefully this is easy, but if it gets hard, please reach out. We're here for you. That's everything. Okay, good luck. Stay safe. Wear a mask when you're in public.